Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Nambardar TV. Are you a Nambardar looking for ways to serve your country better? Let's talk about why a Nambardar's role is vital for a prosperous Pakistan. As a Nambardar, you are the state's perennial representative, working tirelessly for national progress. Your responsibilities are extensive, from managing land records to assisting in local development plans. By streamlining agricultural processes and resolving land disputes amicably, you uplift your community's socio-economic status. A prosperous Nambardar leads to a stable Pakistan. So, continue your dedicated service because the growth of our nation is in your hands. Together, we build a stronger, more resilient country.